This is the Watch Power 2 in always-on mode. Flick of the wrist and boom, it'll light it up into one of many different watch faces. Really great faces. Notice the built-in compass on this one down here. It's super accurate and very snappy. When you swipe down, you get all your different controls from brightness to flip your wrist to see the time, Bluetooth connection to your phone, Bluetooth calling in this one, music streaming with music on the watch, 2 earbuds if you'd like, a GPS for getting you the best GPS connection possible, because this definitely has a GPS built into it. You've got other controls, a flashlight, SOS features for making calls. You can shake the water out. Man, it does all kinds of stuff. When you start swiping through it, you got your wheels to close for all of your step distance traveled and calories burned throughout the day, your overall 24-hour heart rate, instant heart rate measurement, and a synopsis of your day and all the different zones you've been in and your last 7 days of data. Same thing for blood oxygen. It's using the red diode technology back there to get you its overall reading. There's the 24-hour chart and the measurements and the 7 days. Does that for stress, which is kind of heart rate variability to see how stressed out you are. It'll get you a reading, show you the zones you've been in, your last 7 days. Sleep now. There's your overall sleep chart from when you went to bed to wake up in deep, light, REM, your dream state, and the orange for your awake states. The music player built into this, you can stream music from your phone, or you can play music directly on the watch that you've installed, either through the speaker or through headphones. There's the weather information. You've got all kinds of things. Visibility. You've got humidity, you got forecasts on it. And then you've got this last one, which, by the way, from the watch face you can get to going this way. They all circle around. That's your voice assistant. There's the weather, there's the music player, and quick access buttons. So from the watch face you can just boom, boom, and get to all of it if you'd like to. What else can you do? All kinds of things. You can get into your app drawer where you have everything we just saw, including now exercises. These are walking, running, cycling. They're all tied to GPS module in this one, plus a whole bunch more, and you can add more to them. You've got the exercise records that you can get into, and any of these will show you detailed information, including the actual track from the GPS, plus all of the data that's in here. See all of that stuff in the full review. Your phone, your heart rate and sleep, Pi is a measure of health. You've got all these different things we looked at. You've got album for showing you pictures in there that you can transfer over. You have AI chat, which is different from AI voice, and you can actually make AI watch faces on this watch. Weather, SOS, a game, yeah, it just goes on and on. The compass is pretty cool in and of itself in its big version. Look at that. It's snappy and highly accurate. Probably the best compass I've seen on a watch. Altitude, barometer, ladies' health. Yeah, it's quite the watch. And it has some other cool watch faces that I want to show you here quickly before we time out on this. These stock faces, you see all of the always-on faces are integrated to match them. But there are downloadable ones like some of these that you can have too. All right, we'll take that one. That are really, really cool. Analog, digital, super high resolution. Turn it off. And there you go. There's the always-on display integrated to match with that. Always on gives you low power. You can set it to be on all day, all night, whatever you'd like. This is a very cool watch. It is called the Watch Power 2. Yeah, check it out.